Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is ARIFIZA ALYA binti ARIFENDEE. My matric number is A20A1278. For introduction, Diana is a successful businesswoman who created a cutting-edge tuition center, started with 15 pupils and 2 teachers. After a few years, the number of pupils was increasing from 15 to 300. When the number of students in the tuition increased, Diana began to replace physical book with computer skills, specifically Microsoft Office. First, recording and retrieving the student data. To begin, we must establish a table containing student data. Then, we must select View to see all of the data. There are 30 students studying data. Then, we can move to the student form. All of the data is the same as it was in the previous table. To create a new record, simple select Add Record from drop-down menu.
And generative fee receipts, first click to create a table and create the query design and choose 3 items and then make a relationship for them. Next, create expenses from the includes of expenses ID category date, and amount of expenses. Next, clear the query design and rename as query receipt and make a relationship between 4 tables. First, click to create table and fill the design view with data types and then create data view to see the result. Next, create expenses from the includes of expenses ID category date, and amount of expenses.
Firstly, Diana must create all the tables for tuition package with their price. Then make a query like this. Then click Run button for the result. Next, click the report button at Create menu. Create the report that looks like this, and don't forget to put the descending to put popular package at the top. But the next step is, I shall need to make a report showing total income by school name, highest at the top. So, she must make full name of school table like this. After that, make a query for total income by school name. Makes it look like this. Then click the Run button for the result. Next, create the report that looks like this, and don't forget to put the popular school at the top.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SHAHIDA binti Muhammadin and my matric number is A20B2247. For total expense by expense category is determined using the expense table and the expense category table in relationship to the expense category ID. So in the design view, it will display the name of expense related with Diana business, and the overall expense based on the expense will show clearly and exactly according to the 10 category of expenses. As a result, Diana can distribute it as a report. In this report, each expense category total spending will be shown. So as a result, Diana may use this expense report to keep record of a monthly expense to make sure that they do not using expense more than the company profit.
To construct a profit and loss report that shows total revenue expenses by month, we must first create a database relationship between month sales query and the expense query on the item ID of the month. Then, we create a dashboard that displays each month's profit, expense, and net profit, as well as the total simple profit and loss for the current year. The total profit and loss by month report will be generated using the data acquired from the full access system. As a result, we can track total profit and loss by month throughout the year. At the end of this project, we can conclude that Microsoft Access is effective in storing extensive data, and the users can access the data easily. That's all from us. Thank you.